But unlike the United States and other developed countries in the West, in India, the survival of the newspaper itself is not in question. In fact, new editions are launched in city after city. For example, in Mumbai, India's largest city, formerly known as Bombay, these are the offices of a brand new newspaper, barely 6 months old. It's called DNA, which stands for Daily News and Analysis. And it's up against some formidable competition, the Times of India, a newspaper with a long and distinguished history.
Well, we are a new kid on the block, of course, and that means that we have to be both different and similar to the existing competition. The Times of India has been in this city for about 167 years. It's a paper that has enormous strength. It has a huge market share, and it has been